In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter John Lewis promo code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up a web browser and head on over to johnlewis.com. And basically, we just need to get to the checkout or payment section of John Lewis to activate that promo code deal. So what I'm going to do, make sure to sign in as well or create an account before you make an order. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add this coffee machine, this Philips coffee machine to my cart or basket rather. So I'm going to click add to basket. It's probably going to give me some warranty. Yep, they always give extended warranty with coffee machines on this site. All right, from here I'm going to click onto my basket, top right hand corner. Now once we're inside our basket, make sure everything looks good and then click on continue to checkout. All right, then from here, select the delivery option. So free collection or free standard UK delivery. So it doesn't matter which one you use. I'm just going to enter postcode here, Oxford Street. I'm going to click search. I'm going to choose this shop. I'm going to schedule it for a later date. Now I need to enter my phone number. And now I'm going to click continue to payment. And then under payment, it will say add a promo code. So go ahead and click on that button and then put in the promo code deal here. Click apply, and then whatever that promo code amounts to is going to subtract it of this. So if it's a promo code for 50 bucks, going to subtract 50. If it's 20%, it's going to subtract 20% off that, and then continue with your normal payments to purchase your product.